And ABC 10 News has team coverage as we prepare for a rough weekend weather-wise. Reporter Jennifer De La Cruz explains why they're not predicting rolling blackouts like we saw last month.
Another heat wave in the forecast could mean major strain on the state's power supply. On Thursday, the California Independent System Operator asked customers to conserve energy as temperatures heat up this weekend. A flex alert will run from Saturday through Monday from 3 to 9 p.m. Energy officials say the demand on the grid is forecast to reach levels similar to what we saw in August when rolling blackouts swept through the state. At this point, they are not predicting outages for the Labor Day weekend, but are monitoring conditions closely. They say the difference this time is that the heat is not as widespread across the West, which limited the energy California was able to import from other states a few weeks ago. Meanwhile, CAL FIRE is rotating staffing to increase crews and engines as temperatures heat up. Captain Kendall Bordeser says so far they've been successful in managing fires in San Diego County this year.
Aircraft, helicopters, ground crews, bulldozers and everything, and able to keep the fires really small, which has been great.
But they know they're never out of the woods.
We've come to realize that we're in fire season year round here. I mean, if you think of the Lilac fire a few years ago, my gosh, that was in December.
They've sent several crews to assist with the historic fires in Northern California, and they know that favor will be returned should they need it.
Our neighbor calls for help, we help them out, and when we call for help, our neighbors help us out.
Even through a pandemic, they've adapted to changes to keep the county safe.
There's better social distancing. Certainly everybody's wearing masks. Folks are eating in shifts now. The sleeping situations are much different.
CAL FIRE is asking residents to reduce the risk of starting fires by postponing any yard work until temperatures cool down. Jennifer De La Cruz, ABC 10 News.
You can save energy in your home by running large appliances earlier in the day and setting your thermostat to 78 degrees. Now let's go to meteorologist Angelica Campos. She's tracking the fire danger that comes with this. Angelica.
Hi, Kim. It's going to be, unlike last heat wave, this is going to be dry and it's going to be hot. But it will be widespread across the state of California. It'll extend towards Nevada and also Arizona. So this is going to be taking over much of the Southwest. The temperatures averaging close to 10 degrees warmer than yesterday, and this is just starting. And technically today it's actually pretty close to normal. So the average for this time of the year is right around in the low 90s in Ramona, and that's exactly where the temperatures are at. So we're just warming up closer to seasonable. The last couple of days have been great, but they have been below average. So you can see here pretty much all of California highlighted in this pink color or magenta color, and that is the excessive heat, which will begin tomorrow at 10 a.m. The warning will start inland communities back to the deserts, and then it'll stretch into the coastal communities for the first time this summer. It could be the hottest weekend we've seen so far, just to give you an idea of what to expect.
Wow, that's amazing. We'll talk to you later in this newscast with an update on that heat. And you can track this heat anytime with the ABC 10 News mobile app that's available right now in the App Store.